Let's get started to the new video, boom and crash special spike system. Here you guys can see the signal appeared. It started recording this video. As you guys can see, the arrow is appeared. This is signal for a spike. You just need to open your trade, wait for 3 candle stop loss, and let's go for profit. This system is really very accurate, really good, and the performance is really very nice and 90% accuracy. We're making a lot of money with this system. You guys can check the description and join us and see here how actually this thing is working. Look here guys, we're waiting for spike. Once the spike appear, close this trade in profit. If you guys want to have this tool, just check the description and chat. Our team is available to help you to set up, to have this, to understand this system. It's completely profitable and completely reliable. No lagging, no reference system. Keep watching guys. This is crash index 1000. We're waiting for spike. Market is moving upward. We're holding this trade with proper 3 candle stop loss. Now let's wait for market to give us a spike, so our trade will close in profit. So we are waiting in front of you guys. This is a live market movement. The signal is for spike that appeared. We're holding this trade. Keep watching the video and see how actually this system works. Is really reliable or just thought? Some people say just show us a before arrow. Sometimes this happens, but please, it's not possible to show you before arrow because we also don't know when the arrow will appear. So once the arrow appears, we start recording. I hope this thing makes sense, okay? So keep watching guys how actually the system works. Spike trading. 3 candle stop loss after the arrow. We are holding this trade for a spike. To keep watching the video, actually this thing move and how market react. Keep watching guys. Probably market is going to give. Look here guys. Yeah my boy. Yeah my boy. We made it. Thanks for watching. Check the description. Like, share, subscribe.